Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can change profile picture on Wise. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Wise app. So once you open your Wise app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on profile icon on the left hand side of your screen. So now all you need to do is simply tap on the camera like icon and either take a photo or choose it from your library. So you can randomly select any of the picture you want to set as a profile picture and simply tap on use photo. So after you do this, it will take some time to finally initialize it, and once the progress is completely finished, you will get your profile picture changed or updated on your Wise account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.